How to create a timeline in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Monday.com and create a new board. Name it something like Project Timeline to keep things organized. 2. Add a timeline column to track project duration. This will visually display task timelines and ensure deadlines are met. Enter task start and end dates. The timeline will automatically adjust based on the durations you set. 4. Assign team members to tasks. Use the People column to distribute responsibilities and ensure accountability. 5. Color code tasks for better visualization. Assign different colors to high priority, medium priority, and completed tasks. 6. Use dependencies to link related tasks. This ensures that one task cannot start until another is completed. 7. Monitor progress with the timeline view. Track deadlines and adjust schedules as needed to stay on track.